To use a Moneybox Stocks and Shares ISA, start by understanding what it is. A Stocks and Shares ISA is a type of investment account that allows you to invest in the stock market and other investments tax-free. Moneybox is a mobile app that makes it easy to invest in a Stocks and Shares ISA. First, download the Moneybox app and create an account. You will need to provide some personal details and answer a few questions to help Moneybox understand your investment goals and risk tolerance. This will help you choose the right investment portfolio for your needs. Next, fund your account by setting up a direct debit or making a one-off payment. You can invest as little as £1, making it accessible to everyone. Moneybox will then automatically invest your money into a diversified portfolio of stocks and shares. The key concept to understand is diversification, which means spreading your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Moneybox offers a range of portfolios, from cautious to adventurous, so you can choose the one that suits your risk tolerance. A practical example of how this works is if you invest £100 in a Moneybox Stocks and Shares ISA. It will be split across a range of investments, such as UK and international stocks, bonds, and property. This helps to reduce the risk of losing money if one particular investment performs poorly. To get the most out of your Moneybox Stocks and Shares ISA, make sure to take advantage of the tax benefits. You can invest up to £20,000 per year and pay no tax on any profits you make. It is also important to remember that you should aim to invest for the long term, as this will give your investments time to grow and ride out any market fluctuations. Best practices include setting up a regular investment plan, monitoring your portfolio, and being patient. It is also important to understand the fees associated with your investment, as these can eat into your returns over time. Moneybox charges a flat fee of 0.5% per year, which is relatively low compared to other investment platforms. In summary, using a Moneybox Stocks and Shares ISA is a straightforward process that can help you invest in the stock market and other investments tax-free. By understanding the key concepts, such as diversification and tax benefits, and following best practices, such as setting up a regular investment plan and monitoring your portfolio, you can make the most of your investments and achieve your long-term financial goals.